Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Berwick, local and long-distance movers near me. Are you looking to relocate from cities outside Berwick or within the city to another home in Berwick? Then it would be best if you had experts who are familiar with the routes, the rules guiding the city, and the residents in the city. For a company that has the best local movers with experience, knowledge of the city, and the best equipment for a local move, Berwick Local 3 Movers will significantly help you. Let our local movers help you with your local move. We have also well-trained experts with years of experience moving belongings through Berwick. They can navigate the city quickly enough to deliver your belongings on schedule. Why take on the backbreaking work of moving to Berwick when 3 Movers can ensure you a stress-free move while you explore Berwick? Do you want to relocate to another state from Berwick and need help to get to a company that will handle your move adequately? Long-distance moves are very complex compared to local ones. Do you still need to be bothered about the best professionals for the job? Well, we have the best solutions for you. Berwick Long-Distance Movers is the best for your lengthy move. Our experts are well-trained to deliver excellent services when called upon. Berwick Long-Distance 3 Mover staff are dependable, and we have the best reviews in Berwick. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Berwick moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.